The prevention of failure. Light a yellow or orange candle. Write on a sheet of paper not desirable, but very likely outcome of your situation. You can write just one word: failure, trouble, or grief. Use for this a pen with red ink. Then take a black Sharpie pen and make a big cross on the red inscription. Doing it, you must understand that by this action you really eliminate not desirable reality from your life. Set fire to the paper from a flame of a candle and say, "Withdraws this sacred fire any evil, any distress, any bad idea, from that which was, from that which will be, from that which must be, to leave left way, to go on the right road, to avoid all bad and malicious, will be in my powers. Take all ashes and scatter it before the wind."